Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Ford EcoSport facelift, which has just been spotted testing and is expected to be launched by the festive season this year. The first generation Ford EcoSport compact SUV was launched in the year 2013 and later received a facelift in the year 2018. Despite being the oldest compact SUV in the category, it is the most value for money option in the compact SUV category, even after some feature cuts and introduction of new variants. However, before the launch of the second generation Ford EcoSport, which is expected to arrive in the year 2023, the EcoSport compact SUV will receive yet another facelift and update, offering better looks and features. Going by the latest spy shot, the front fascia will look completely different when compared to the current generation model, offering a larger octagonal grille similar to the Ford Endeavour, more angular looking all-new headlamps, and the upside-down L-shaped LED DRLs. The top spec variants are expected to offer all LED headlamps, adding to the more premium feature list of the facelifted EcoSport. Alloy wheels are expected to be offered from the mid-spec titanium variant itself. However, the design of the alloy wheels will be completely different to that seen on the current model. The new facelifted EcoSport is also likely to receive changes in terms of design on the side profile and on the rear fascia as well, offering redesigned LED tail lamps. However, just like the current EcoSport, except for the Signature Edition variant, all variants will offer a tailgate-mounted spare wheel. Changes on the interior will include a larger touchscreen system, which is expected to offer Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard from the mid-spec variant itself, a redesigned dashboard with better quality materials, new updated interior color theme with leather upholstery available on the top spec variants. Safety features are expected to be carried forward just like before, with dual airbags, ABS with EBD and remote sensor locking available as standard from the entry-level variant itself, while smart key access with push-button start, ESP traction control with hill hold and reverse parking camera available from the mid-spec variant itself. The top-spec Titanium Plus variants will offer 6 airbags along with Sync 3 connectivity, while also offering Ford's MyKey system. With the joint venture between Ford and Mahindra called off, the new Ford EcoSport facelift will not be using any engine from the Mahindra lineup and is expected to carry on with the existing petrol and diesel engine options. It is also likely that the turbo diesel engine will be updated for more power and could also be made available with an automatic transmission option. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the new facelifted EcoSport for this year. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.